I truly care about my clients and I fight to the end. I do not settle unless it's in your best interest. Welcome to Neal Law. I'm Joe Neal, the president and founder of Neal Law. We specialize in catastrophic injury and wrongful death cases. We have offices in Atlanta and Augusta and take cases all over the state of Georgia. Our mission is to provide you with first-class legal representation if you or a loved one have suffered a wrongful death or a life-altering injury. A defining case in my legal career was the case of Van v. Finley. It was a trailer fire that killed two high school sweethearts who had just gotten out of high school. A light caught on fire while they were sleeping, and there was no smoke detector in the trailer, and because of that, they never woke up in time and they burned alive. Well, we sued a power company in the city of Augusta, their electrical engineer, and that case went on for 4 years. Now, it's not our fault. We didn't do it. We have sovereign immunity. Well, we've never been sued for anything like that. Well, I didn't give up. I took 40 depositions. The power company settled after about 2 years, and we kept going against the city. The city kept claiming, you can't sue us because we have immunity. Well, we proved to Judge Brown in Augusta, Georgia, that they did not have immunity because we proved that they were supposed to inspect that trailer before they allowed power to be turned back on. And the proof was there was a tampered wood power meter outside the trailer that the power company saw and said, we're not turning on this power, but yet the city inspector didn't come back by. The city inspector lied and faxed an inspection sheet to the power company telling them that he had inspected the trailer and it was safe to turn on power. Well, because of that false fax, the power company turned on the power, and this resulted in an electrical fire that killed these two innocent kids. And you would not believe the unimaginable pain and tragedy that this caused to two different families. And I was honored and privileged to represent them for 5 years. And we got justice not only against the power company, we beat the city employee all the way up to the Supreme Court of Georgia, who held he did not have immunity because there were established policies that required him to just open the door and look around for a smoke detector, and he did not do it. And because of that, two young, beautiful young adults who had just started their life and who wanted to get married and have a family now are gone, and their families don't have their children anymore. And we got justice. We got the only justice we could get in this society for them, which was substantial monetary compensation. And we made law in the process to help other victims who get hurt by municipalities or government employees have an avenue to get justice in the courts and not just have their case thrown out by some judge who doesn't care. We fight on the side of the underdog and the ordinary citizen. My goal is not just to win your case, but it's to change your life. It's to open up doors for you to recover, to gain your life back, and to learn to love life again and to have a good life. It goes back to when I was a 10-year-old child going to court with my daddy and watching him try cases, watching how much he cared for his clients. And when I think about my law practice and my clients, they're like family to me. Caring is contagious. It's a part of who I am. Neal Law focuses on the individual client. You will not go through secretaries and paralegals every time you call my office. You will talk directly to me when you need to talk directly to me. You will see me in person when you need to see me in person. I will come to your house. I will come to your business. I'm very accessible. I fight for ordinary people, people who work hard, pay their taxes, and try to do the right thing. I represent people who are victims of inexcusable negligence, who are harmed by no fault of their own and who have suffered unimaginable tragedies. People who usually don't have anyone else to speak up for them. And I take their cases all the way to a jury if the insurance company is not fair. I've been doing this for 2 decades now, and I can tell you that my clients become like family to me. I have personal interactions with each one of my clients, face-to-face, on the phone, constant contact. At Neal Law, you will receive personal attention from me. You will get first-class legal representation. I take my clients' cases as serious as I would take anything that happened to my own family. I work very hard on each case that I have, and I don't take a case unless I truly believe in it. So when I take your case, you're going to get me all the way.